Today we will trace capital letters A, B, C, D, E. Let's start. Green color, sky blue color, violet color, orange color, blue color, black color, pink color, red color, brown color, pink color, green color, and yellow color. Green color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. A. This is letter A. A. B. Letter B. This is letter B. Kids, now we are tracing letter C. C. This is letter C. C. Kids, now we are tracing letter D. D. This is letter E. E. Now kids, we are tracing letter E. A. This is letter A. A. Now kids, we are tracing letter A. B. This is letter B. B. Kids, this is letter B. Kids, we are tracing letter B. C. This is letter C. D. Kids, we are tracing letter D. And this is letter E. E. C. This is letter C. D. This is letter D. E. Kids, this is letter E. E. Kids, read again. A. B. C. D. E. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.